Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You can merge photos using only a web browser and a simple HTML file. Create a new text file and name it index. HTML. Insert two im tags and set widths like 400px or 50%. Use CSS display, inline block or flex to align images horizontally or vertically. Add margins or borders using CSS to control spacing and appearance. Open the saved index. HTML. Another method is to arrange images in a browser page or a document and use print to PDF. Position and size images on the page using HTML, CSS, or document layout tools to get the right composition. Choose Print and select the System Print to PDF option as your printer. Configure scale and margins to control output dimensions. Save the PDF. Then open it and export or capture a screenshot to obtain a single merged image file. You can quickly merge photos by placing them together on your screen and taking a single screenshot. Open both image files in any viewer or in separate browser tabs and arrange the windows side by side. Use your operating system screenshot tool to capture the combined view. Select window or full screen capture as needed. Then open the captured image, crop to remove extra borders, and save the result as your merged photo file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.